Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Learn, Plan, Profit. Hope you guys are all having a great start to your Tuesday morning. Let's go ahead and start looking at some of the natural gas. I want to make sure that we have all of this all set up. Go ahead and move this a little bit on over. What's up? What's up? Hope you guys are all having a great morning. Let me know how you guys are feeling this morning. As of right now, I was just looking at a couple of futures on /NG. Again, very aggressive sell-off is beginning to consolidate right around the 2.60 price point on the 180-day chart. So the progression of it making lower lows, it's really not there anymore. And right now, we're getting a lot of consolidation in between the middle VWAP and the SMA line. So right now it looks like it's trying to build a support. It's trying to begin to push up. At least that's what it looks like, what it's trying to do. It does not mean that it has to. Have not taken one position just yet. We can go right on over here to the monitor. Again, no positions, nothing, starting fresh, starting new. Gonna go right here and gonna start setting my alerts. I'm really looking forward to kind of seeing what it decides to do. Is it gonna hold above the middle VWAP and begin to make higher highs? Or is it going to, begin to break below the SMA line and begin to sell off once again? That's something that we'll have to wait out for. So let's go ahead and check this out. You guys still trying to push up. So I'm just gonna set a series of alerts. Nice little push up on you guys. Let's see, will we see it happen? Still a lot of consolidation. Not really lower lows being formed yet. Again, right now it's kind of just like we're just waiting to see kind of what happens. There we go. Nice little sell-off. There we go. Approaching 2.66. There it goes. Broke below 2.66. Or no, it got at or near. Let's see if we actually begin to make lower lows. So again, we have this right here. Same resistance. It's like right below 108, and there it goes. It's pulling back. So we have the same thing going on with natural gas. We're finding the same support right around that 2.66 area. Again, that's kind of like the make it or break it looks like as of right now. The MACD on natural gas is in favor of natural gas for a potential reversal. The RSI is kind of indifferent for both parties right now. Although the RSI is pointing up, it's progressively making higher highs. So I like that on DGAS, but it's not a good deal, right? On DGAS as of right now, it's not viewed as a good deal. So a nice little sell-off for the boys. Yep. So let's see. Let's check this out. There we go. Nice little push up. Can we break above 108? Let's see. Break above 108. Can natural gas break below 2.66? Let's see. Again, this is the support that it's finding. Do you guys see this? Overall support right around 2.66. I know some of you guys don't have maybe natural gas to be able to get pulled up, so I'll have it here for you because I think that's more important. Here we go. We get a nice little push up or a nice little push down. Let's see. Again, this is what I was talking about, the MACD right here. So it's showing signs that it can begin to like reverse back up. So there we go. This is broke below. Can we see lower lows? There we go. Natural gas went below it. It's really not pushing up too nicely anyways. So what I'm going to do, and again, I know this isn't going to be something that maybe everyone agrees with, is I'm actually going to close my position. We're getting too much consolidation, and I want to give it a little bit of time. There we go. Got filled at 108.18. Total profit 117.01. Not bad. Nothing crazy, right? Watch this thing just shoot up to 110. I would crack up. But again, there's a reason on why I sold, right? The MACD, a little bit more on the overextended side. We're getting a lot of consolidation on natural gas right now. And yes, it can shoot down and we can try to bet on that, right? But it's like, again, like I know that like looking at the MACD right here, like there's a reason behind like why I'm selling it. So again, I'll show you guys P&L, right? 117.01. You guys saw me buy, you guys saw me sell it, and I can show you my overall trades here. So we did the average up approach where we bought and then sold. Nothing crazy, no huge dollar amount right now. My entry point probably wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst either. It's just we're going through a lot of consolidation. It doesn't even mean that I can't get back in. That's the beautiful thing about this, is I sold and now I have no skin in the game, right? I'm kind of like, okay, well now I can potentially just wait for, you know, this thing to begin to push up, or if it begins to sell off, then guess what? I'm not in, and like I have no skin in the game right now. So I can decide to, if I see natural gas beginning to push up, then I can go for you gas because I'm free. So I never took a position on UWT, but it makes sense on, like, you know, if it finds the EMA line as a support, then every time that you see that it's finding it as a support, that, you know, you can slowly begin to add more to your position size and stuff like that. Like right now, we then broke below the EMA line, and now it's starting to show signs of a break of pattern. It's the progression at the rate that it was going at is no longer the same. So you can see that right on over here. So maybe it might be an indication of like, hey, this might be where I want to sell, or where I might want to be a little bit more aware of looking for a sell and stuff like that. So